Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to create an Amazon account on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link that is www.amazon.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And once you type in the link on the other page, you'll be directed to their official site. You can see as you type in the link on the other page, this is what the interface is going to look like. So what you have to do is, in order to create an account, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see there is an option as Hello Sign In. So all you have to do is tap on it, and once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So then you'll have to tap on Start Here in order to create a new account. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, next on the other side, you'll be directed to a sign up page. So you'll have to enter your first name and your last name first of all, and after that you'll either have to link your mobile number or an email address. So then select any of these following options that is convenient for you, and once you're done entering your contact information, and next you'll have to create a password, and after that you'll have to re-enter your password once again in order to confirm. And once you're done entering your information, tap on verify mobile number, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll have to enter the OTP that will be sent through your email or your SMS. After you're done copying the verification code, next you'll have to enter the OTP, so then paste it right over here. And once you're done, tap on create your Amazon account, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that I'm logged in, which means that the account has been created, and in the top right corner you have all your information, and that is how you can create Amazon account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.